Here's a few new features that have been added in the 1.3 release. The first thing is we've added a new way to edit a single day in Daybook. So you would have noticed in previous versions there was a rearrange button at the bottom, and you could click on that and it would allow you to then rearrange your periods by dragging and dropping them to change the order. Well, this has now been changed to an edit button. And when you click on this, you'll go to an edit mode, and from within here, you can still drag and drop to rearrange, but you can also edit a period by clicking on the edit button. You can change what subject that is. If you're a primary school teacher, you'll also be able to change the duration. If you're a high school, you can change the room name. You can also delete a period like this, and if you accidentally delete something, you can click on this add button at the bottom here, and this will allow you to add a period back in, and you can drag to put that where it needs to be. Once you're done, you can press cancel or save. The other thing that's new in this release is the exporting feature. So to create an export, you can do it from either the diary view or the lesson view. And you just click on the export button, and this will export this particular day as a PDF. And once it's ready for download, the download button will become available just like that. And you can click download. Now, just a quick note, if you are on a tablet, such as an iOS device, this will actually open your web browser and download the PDF in your web browser. And so if you're on iOS, that's going to save to your downloads folder in your Files app. And if you're on Android, similarly, it's going to download to a location that you choose on your Android device. So, and you can do the same thing from the diary view, and you can also do it from the lessons view. The lessons view has an extra option where you can choose dates to export between. So I can either just, by default, it'll export all of my lessons within this term. Otherwise, I can specify specific dates. Just one other quick feature, which is helpful for some people. You'll notice that here we have period 1 starting at this first period in the day. Now, if you have, say, a roll call period at the start here, and you actually want period 1 to be the next period, you can click on the timetable view up here and click on the settings cog, and you'll notice there's a new option here now that says first period, start first period at, and you can select which period you would like to start at. So for example, period 2, if I press done, I can go back to the diary, and you'll now see that the second one in the list is now period 1. So that's just another helpful thing that we've added in this release.